Hello everybody, today I want to tell you how to make a streaming setup with OBS Studio software. And what I mean by streaming setup is a setup where there is like a desktop as the main background and there's like a small section in the corner for the streamer video. In fact, this is just look like what you're seeing right now. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is download this OBS Studio software from any other source. This is their official website. This is obsproject.com. As you can see, there are three available platforms for this software. There is one for Windows, there is the other one for Mac, and there is the other one for Linux. If if for some reason the link here doesn't work for you, you can also use the other link from other website. For the example, I'm using the one from this website, bagas31.com, and it works just fine. So after you download it, there should be like an installer somewhere in your download folder, but I've moved it here, as you can see. OBS Studio 21.1 full installer. You just click this installer and follow the instruction of installation, and then you go to go. After that, you open the OBS Studio software. Oh yeah, this warning happened because I already opened one for recording this video. So if you just run one software, this shouldn't be appear. So I'm going to launch it anyway. Okay, this is actually our final result of what we are going to make. I'm just going to start it with the new one. So we're adding scene to start the new one. I'm just gonna name it video 2, and then okay, you can type whatever you want. And then for the source, the first one that we want to add is our desktop as our main background. So for doing that, we're adding display capture, and I'm just gonna name it desktop 3 like this, and then okay, and then okay. The next one that we want to add is our camera. So for that, we're adding video capture device. I'm just going to name it webcam 2 or webcam 3. I've used webcam 2 actually. And then click OK. And the third one that we want to add is a border to make a separation between our camera and the desktop, so the desktop doesn't distract the picture in the camera. So for that, we're adding image. I'm just gonna name it border 3. Click OK. This is actually a PNG file, and yeah, a PNG file that I've downloaded from Google. So if you don't have it already, just Google it and download it. And then okay. The next step is we have to adjust this. Let's think this as a layer, okay? And the desktop, as you can see right here, is on the bottom, the webcam is on the middle, and the border is on the top. So because the desktop is our main background, it should be on the bottom, and it already does. The next one is the webcam. We want to put the webcam on top of everything, so we move the webcam on top like this, and it should look like this, where the first one should be the webcam, the next one is border, the third one is desktop. After that, we have to adjust the position of each layer. So as you can see right here, this is our desktop. It's covered by our border, so we want to move our border on the corner just by doing this. Click and drag it. and readjust the position like so, and that's it. And because I've used the camera for recording this video, the webcam here in our project doesn't work. So yeah, I believe you cannot run a same camera in it to software at the same time. So I'm just going to move to my recording software, and this is what it looks like. The setup is the same. As you can see, the layer right here, the webcam is on top, the border is on the middle, and the desktop is on the bottom. And this is what the final result look like. Don't worry about this mirroring effect. This is not going to happen when you're recording a video. And that's basically it. This is a simple streaming setup that you can use for streaming video. Thank you for watching.